Binili mo lang followers mo, boss. Ha, pansin ko for almost 500k followers, ang reacts lang sa post mo 3 digits. Aray ko. So ito yung isang pagkakamali ko sa Facebook that I wish I realized sooner, which I'll share with you para hindi kayo magaya sa akin, especially if you're building a personal brand. I was too focused on my niche. Let me explain. Noong 2023, that was the time when I posted a CapCut editing tutorial and it brought a lot of followers to the page. So syempre, no-brainer, I created more. Pero ang hindi ko nagawa, which ngayon ko lang na-realize, is hindi ko na-integrate yung personality ko. Sa educational content kasi, people follow because of what they will learn and not because of the person who's teaching it. Gets nyo? Kaya ang nangyari sa akin, every time may post ako na hindi tutorial content, ayun, mababa ang reach at engagement. Kasi nga, na-train na yung algorithm na ipakita yung content ko sa mga tao na nag-engage lang sa editing at AI content. Anything outside of that, swerte-swerte na lang. But if you come to think of it, okay lang naman yun if I wanted to settle as just being a tutorial page. Pero hindi hindi yun yung gusto ko long term. Nasabihan na nga ako ng asawa ko na feeling artista daw eh. So, ang takeaway dito is, okay ang magkaroon ng niche kasi targeted ang content at targeted ang audience. Pero, every now and then, as much as possible, sprinkle a little bit of your personality. Gawa ka ng behind the scenes, day in the life, milestones video, anything that is about you. Para as you grow in your niche, people would not just love your content. They will also start liking you as the creator. In that way, kahit anong i-post mo, most likely they will engage because it was you who posted. Nakikita nyo naman siguro yan sa mga sikat na content creators, di ba? So ikaw, ginagawa mo na ba to?